In this video, I will be explaining the installation process for the 4-switch retrofit model. Installation step: prepare setup, open switchboard and identify the wiring, connect the device. Step 1. Prepare setup. Tools that you will be required: screwdriver, tester, eyeless. Identify the switchboard that you want to automate. This is our 4-switch retrofit model. Now I'm going to install this model into the switchboard. Turn off the MCB before starting the process. Don't miss this step. Step 2. Open switchboard and identify the wiring. Now I have opened the switchboard. In the switchboard, you will be finding red color as a phase wire, blue color as a load wires, and black color as a neutral wire. Step 2. Connect the device. In the device, you will be having P as a phase and as a neutral, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the load. Now the device P terminal will be connected to the phase wire in the switchboard, and the N terminal will be connected to the neutral wire. The switchboard load wires will be connected to the device load terminal 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. Now I'm going to connect the device N wire to the neutral terminal in the switchboard. I have now securely connected the neutral wires. Now I'm going to remove the load wires from the switchboard and connect them to the device load terminals 1, 2, 3, and 4. The load wire have been successfully connected to the device. You will also find the virtual wire in the device. This needs to be connected to the corresponding load points in the switchboard. Please follow the color porting of the virtual switches to place the wires in the switchboard section according to. Connect the gray, blue, yellow, and orange wire to switchboard loads 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. Now I'm connecting the device V wire to the switchboard phase wire and securely installing it into the switchboard phase terminal. I have now successfully configured the wiring and securely placed the device behind the switchboard. The installation process has been completed. Simply turn on the LCD to configure the device.